Grateful po kami, especially sa Viva. And medyo may pressure, yes, kasi ito nga yung first BMX na lalabas sa Sanihan. Kaya nandun din yung pressure namin lahat. Pero I know na lahat kami, ginawa namin lahat dito. Binigay namin yung buong effort namin dito sa pelikulang to. Very exciting, happy, and excited na ako mapanood yung work ng lahat namin dito sa big screen. And of course, yes, also pressure dahil every scene, since it's a big screen, lahat ng acting mo, lahat ng words and nuances makikita sa big screen. Kaya each and every sequence that we had really gave it the best, and I hope we got to share it.
Thank you. And